Hello traders, welcome back to Nova channel. We're kicking off a brand new week and the gold market is ready heating up. Two major forces are sharpening direction of gold right now is rising global war tensions and the high anticipated FOMC meeting happening this Wednesday. So the big question is, will gold break new highs this week? Or are we due to a sharp correction before news hits? Let's break it down with both technical analysis and a quick look at the macro backdrop. And the first thing we will explore is the technical setup. Looking at the current 1-hour chart of gold, we can clearly see that price is trading around $34.40, right near recent highs. After a strong bullish rally last week from around $32.70, the market has entered a consolidation phase with upward bias. And we are using the EMA 8, 34, and 89 system. All EMAs are perfectly aligned in the bullish tag, showing a healthy uptrend. Price is currently respecting the dynamic support from the EMA 34, and unless we break below it, there's no real bearish momentum in play. So, what's the technical outlook? If price can break above 34.45 to 34.50 resistance zone, we could easily see an extension toward 34.68, possibly even 34.80, especially if the news catalyst supports the move. But if we see a rejection or fake out above 34.50, followed by a close below EMA 34, around $34.15, a pullback toward 33.80 to 33.65 becomes likely. So this is a critical level to watch. The next thing is about fundamental drivers, war tensions and FOMC. Now let's shift gears and talk about fundamentals. First, global war tensions are intensifying. The Middle East is on edge, with reports of new missile attacks and U.S. military buildup. In Ukraine, conflict is escalating again with heavy drone and artillery strikes. These developments are pulling investors towards safe haven assets, and gold is responding accordingly by holding strong above the $34.00 zone. Second, we have the FOMC meeting this Wednesday, arguably the biggest event of the week. While the market widely expects the Fed to hold rates steady, all eyes will be on Powell's tone in the press conference. If the Fed hints at possible rate cuts later this year, gold could explode to new highs. But if the Fed remains a hawkish stance and emphasizes the need to keep rates higher for longer, gold could face short-term pressure as the dollar strengthens. This is a classic case by the rumor, sell the news, and timing will be everything. And here are two trade ideas to consider this week. And this is the idea to set up the scalping signal as the daily trading plan. To sum up, gold remains in bullish territory technical, but the real move will likely come after FOMC meeting. Be patient and prepared. The 34.50 level is your key breakout zone, and 34.15 is the support pivot. We're going to break out or fake out. Let's see how the market reacts to the Fed and war developments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments, bullish or bearish this week. And if you want to trade real time with Nova and updates right after the FOMC release, make sure to join Nova Scalper community. Links in the description. Good luck and trade smart. Happy trading. See you in the next video.